So good morning students, and today I am going to explain about problems from chapter 3, that is the laws of motion. Children, first problem, what is the momentum of a 6.0 kg ball bowling with a velocity of 2.2 meter per second? Children, first of all, what are the quantities are given here? So mass of the ball is given, mass of the ball, that is m equal to 6.0 kg. Mass of the ball m equal to 6.0 kg, children. And velocity of the ball, that is v equal to, what is the velocity of the ball, children, here? 2.2 meter per second. So momentum, momentum P equal to m into v, children. P equal to m into v, children. So that is equal to, what is the value here? 6.0 into 2.2. 6.0 into 2.2 equal to how much, children? 13 kg per meter second or 13.2 Newton per second. Children. Okay, children. This, well, when you watch this video, you must write this problem in your classwork. Okay, don't forget, children. Okay, and next problem number 2. Problem number 2. Two people push a car. Two people push a car. Two people push a car. Two people push a car for 3 seconds. For 3 seconds. With a combined net force of 200 newtons. So first A, there are two sums are there. First one A. Okay. Calculate the impulse provided to the car. Calculate the impulse provided to the car. Okay. So let us see, children, what is given here. F net equal to, children, here given solution. F net equal to 200 newtons. Delta T how much, children? Delta T equal to what? 3 seconds. 3 seconds. Delta T is equal to 3 seconds. So impulse delta P equal to formula what? Delta P equal to F net into delta T. So F net into delta T. That implies F net how much here? 200. So 200 into 3 seconds. That is equal to what? 600 Newton per second. 600 Newton per second. So this is the A. Okay. And you have to copy in your class, children. Next, children, B. Same problem, B. See, what is B, children, here? What is B? If the car has mass, if the car has a mass of 1200 kg, what will be its change in velocity? So solution, children. Simple, children, here. Net force F net equal to what is given, children? Mass of the car m equal to mass of the car m equal to 1200 kg and net force F net equal to, that is F net equal to how much here? 200 newtons. 200 newtons F net equal to, and next F net equal to m into delta V by delta T. Delta V by delta T. So m equal to how much here? M equal to 200. F net equal to how much? F net equal to how much? 200 into 1200 by delta V by 3. Your delta T equal to how much here? Delta T equal to 3 seconds. So 3 1 ja 3 400s. So 200 equal to delta V by delta V into 400. So delta V equal to, children you know very well, 200 by 400. 200 by 400. Delta V equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5 meters. 5 meters per second. 0.5 meter per second, children. So this is the third problem, children. Okay. And next problem. And next third problem. Children, a man of 30 kgs, a man of mass 30 kgs uses a rope to climb which bears only 450 newtons. 450 newtons. What is the maximum acceleration? What is the maximum acceleration with which he can climb safely? Children. So children, here very clear question. A man of mass 30 kg uses a rope to climb which bears only 450 newtons. What is the maximum acceleration with which he can climb safely? So children, you know very well, we have to find out acceleration. Mass m equal to, what is the mass? M equal to how much kgs? 30 kgs. M equal to 30 kg, children. And force F equal to how much, children? Force F equal to how much? 450 newtons. 450 newtons. F equal to. Now acceleration A equal to question mark, children. So children know very well what is the formula, you know? F equal to ma. Then A equal to how much, children, here? F by m. A equal to F by m. Okay, that implies F how much? 450 by m equal to 30. 0 cancel, so 15. That implies 15 meters per second square. 15 meters per second square. Okay, this is the solution for the problem, children. Okay, so next and one more problem, children, here very easiest problem I tell you, that is, you know very well. See, an object of mass 5 kg is moving with a velocity of 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. A force is applied so that in 20 seconds it attains a velocity of 25 meters per second. What is the force applied on the object, children? What is the force applied on the object? Children, here so a force of 5 kg. Yeah, fifth question, children. Fifth question. Fifth question solution I am giving children. In textbook page number 46, fifth question. So mass is how much given? Mass m equal to how much given here? Mass m equal to 5 kg. And initial velocity u equal to how much given? 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. And next children, time t equal to 20 seconds. Time t equal to 20 seconds. Now acceleration children, acceleration a equal to v minus u by t children. Formula a equal to v minus u by t. That implies children, what is the v value children here? What is v here? 25. 25 minus 10 by t, how much children here? 20 seconds. That implies 15 by 20. So 3 by 4 meters per second square. Acceleration. Now force applied on the object. Force applied on the object F equal to ma. What is ma here children here? Mass. What is mass here? 5. So 5 into 3 by 4. That implies 15 by 4. So 15 by 4 equal to how much children here? 3.75 newtons. 3.75 newtons. Okay. 3.75 newtons children. Okay. Thank you. Hope you understand these problems and copy all these problems in your class now. Thank you and have a nice day.